Okay, so Matt and I went out for our first dive of 2021. We just went to a pretty boring beginner area in the Sandwich Inlet, and we only dove about 25 feet max, which means we didn't see too much, but we did see some things, like this guy, and this starfish, and a ton of little moon jellyfish.
Your fins sent two spitting out.
Did you get that film?
I hope so. Like absolutely hilarious GIF material of Jelly's going like, whoa.
But there's someone super special that we did see, and so now that's what this video is about. See these little broken pot type things? They sort of look like they're made out of that weird plastic composite material, or like the stuff that pillowcases are made out of. And a lot of people actually think that they're trash and they pick them up and they throw them out. But they're not trash. They're made by this friend, Mama Moon Snail. This is a Lewis's moon snail, Neverita louisi. They're the biggest marine snail species in the Salish Sea, with shells up to 14 centimeters in diameter. But that's a stupid way to measure them because look at her. Look at her. When you see this absolute treasure of a woman, do you think the most accurate way to represent her total size is by telling someone how big her shell is? Okay, so back to these pots. What are they for? These are called sand collars, and they're little snail nurseries for little snail babies. Mama Moon Snail buries herself in sand and builds these protective structures by sculpting them from a mixture of the sand and her Mama Moon Snail mucus. Then she lays thousands of teeny tiny eggs in the sand collar, so even if the collar looks empty, it may still hold a ton of babies. So now you know about Mama Moon Snail.
Mama Moon Snail. Mama Moon Snail.
Also, people eat them, but we didn't.